Hi, I'm Ewan Bonner. I am a researcher at the Language, Media and Learning Research Center at Kanda University of International Studies in Japan, and this is a preview of an augmented reality research project that I've been working on for the past year. This AR app that I'm developing is still far from finished, but I thought that now was a good time to introduce it to everyone and gather some feedback. The purpose of the app is to provide a platform for my students to practice their speaking and listening skills in new and innovative ways through AR, and to make the task of creating AR content much easier and more intuitive. Essentially, users add 2D and 3D objects into the real world, anywhere they like, and can then share those AR spaces with anyone via a simple 5-digit code. My students, for example, can create things like location-sensitive self-access tours and visually interesting poster presentation spaces, while I, as a teacher, can create AR activities such as jigsaws or murder mysteries inside my classroom or across a building or campus. So as you can see in these demo scenes I've put together, you can create different kinds of content and add it into the AR space. It could be a YouTube video that you find online or create yourself, a 3D model, a like button, a comment board or review space, a website, slideshows such as Google Slides, even just images and basically anything. What I like most about my app is that every step of creating content can be done inside the app itself without needing a PC. Let me show you two different ways to create AR content. The first way is via image targets. If you want to add a video to an event poster that appears across campus, or a group discussion or a review page to a real book cover, this mode is perfect for that. You simply take a photo of the desired target, select the image exactly, and then add and configure your content directly, adjusting size, position, and rotation. Once you're done, you create a name for your space and a password so you can edit it at any time. Then, anyone else with the app types in the 5-digit code you give them, and they can now view that same content. The app even saves the codes, so you don't have to remember them. To give you some more ideas of how it could be used, imagine students creating comment spaces for university rooms and facilities, or creating dioramas from videos watched or books read in class. Since the 5-digit codes each contain their own unique AR content, you can have every student in your class create content for the same classroom or building at the same time, without any issues of overlapping content. The second way is via SLAM, simultaneous localization and mapping, where the app uses the camera to scan the unique 3D shape of an environment rather than a 2D image, and then uses that shape to recognize where it is exactly in the world. As you can see, it functions the same as an image anchor mode, allowing you to add AR content to walls and surfaces, basically anywhere you want. So that's pretty much it for this early preview. The app, of course, still needs a lot of work on bug fixes, replacing the Google Poly 3D models with something else, improving the AR tracking and the UI, and of course adding simple tutorials for users, etc. I'm also a full-time lecturer, so I can't work on the app all the time, but it would be great to use in my classes in the latter half of this year and hopefully get a public version out for anyone to use next year. If you have any feedback or questions, please drop me a line on LinkedIn, ResearchGate, or at ewan.bonner@gmail.com, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching.